type of things or a structured kind of thing we will always observe here when we are talking about about the SAP SD enterprise structure and all. So there are certain, now you are not responsible to create in your live server here in regard to your client codes and all. Client is there already available, which is your parent organization. As well as company code is concerned, company code will be also generated by the client side. Now further things are there, you have to execute it. Further things like about the organization, sales organization, business area, maybe in the part of business area, maybe in the part of warehouse, maybe in the part of division, because that will be a part where you will be working as a part and parcel of the organization. So you will be a part in the organization and that is going live. So there is a less opportunity to create certain things there. You have to work under control, supervising about the consultant which will direct all things to you. Now again I am sharing you another FI structure here. See, this FI structure is what? Again the same pattern you are able to see. Again there is a ABC group of companies like that. These are the company codes, and 5 types of companies they have expanded as per India is concerned, or whatever the country they are working. It is not India. It is like France, UK, Canada, US as well as JP, and the organization has been expanded. Now there are certain profit centers are there also. So they have came with formal as well as seasonal clothing, and then again shoe market, and another is handbag market and all. So these are their byproducts, and these are all your profit center, nothing but. Okay. And then we can see further they have been segmented into apparel or accessories and all. And further we are going downwards, whatever things are there at the lower level. So this is a just restricted diagram to show you this kind of structure or enterprise or this kind of a pyramid thing you will always look in SAP. And the same what I was trying to tell you here also on the first slide which I shown you. So this is your like structure of a client, company codes are there, plants are there, storage locations are there, purchase organization, purchase groups are there. So you are working like into the purchase group or like that, a part of purchase group. So this will be the kind of work which you will be carrying at live level. But in this training you will be doing all sort of activity apart from the client. In fact, you will be creating here the company codes and all, and then you will be doing all this thing. In fact, this display and all thing will be also available from your side. When you will try to show some display to any of the organization or any of the what you call as your particularly training organization, when you are trying to do this practice and all. But you are at when you are on the live and you are attached to organization, then there you have to adhere to the plan and norms of the organization. So this is the differentiation. Now in your, what will be your role like? Now you will be given some transaction codes and you will be given some path also. You will be shown some path also. Then you have to try it on your own when you get a live server also. When you are to also mug up or try to have the transaction codes in that pattern that you can recollect and recall whenever it is required. There is a short form also. When you want to put the short form and all, there is like favorites and all. You can use that. These are the small tools also. There are certain levels also, like there is a path which is shown. There are nodes also in the SAP, and I will also show you the screenshots of the same whenever we are moving ahead for the thing. So right now I think that if you have any concern, any doubts,